Today, let's learn introduction. My name is Kido. I am 3 years old. My favorite color is red. I like to draw pictures. I brush my teeth twice a day, when I wake up and before I go to bed at night. I don't bother my mom and dad. I don't say no to my mom when she gives me healthy food. I wash my hands after eating. I gargle water after eating. I use the potty. I use toilet paper every time. I wake up early in the morning. I go to bed early. Please subscribe.